Boys and girls, we're going to show you a subtraction game, and this is subtraction or takeaway. So what you need is a set of blocks, and I have 10 cubes that are all stuck together. Yours don't have to be stuck together, and Mrs. Howard has the same. And then we have a die, and I have my die in a little box so that I can still see the number on the die, but it doesn't get away from me, so it won't roll off the table. And you need a board and a dry erase, and so we each have one of those. What we're going to do, we each start out with 10 blocks, and we're going to take turns shaking the die, and every time we shake the die, we look at the number on the die, and that's how many we take away. So we're starting with 10. We're each going to write 10 on our board, and Mrs. Howard's is going to be different than mine because I'm going to do the problems that I shake the dice for, and she's going to do the ones she shakes for. So I start out with 10 die, and my first shake is a 2. So I'm going to say 10 take away 2 equals, and now I have to figure out how much that is. So I'm going to take my stick and take 2 off and see how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 take away 2 equals 8. Now I have 8 blocks left, and I'm going to write 8 down here because that's going to be my next problem. And it's Mrs. Howard's turn. So she's going to shake the dice.
3. So I'm going to write 3, 10, take away 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 take away 3 is 7. And like Mrs. Korty said, then I'm going to write 7 down here because that will be the beginning of my next problem.
Okay, now it's my turn again, and we're going to keep taking turns and subtracting blocks off of our stick. And the first one of us to get down to 0 will be the winner. Okay, so here we go. I have 3 this time. I had 8. I'm taking away 3. So now let's see how many I have left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 take away 3 is 5. So I'm down to 5, and it's Mrs. Howard's turn.
3 again. 1. Well, I have 7. And I'm taking away 3. So I'm going to write that down. 7 take away 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm down to 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ooh, she only has 4 left, and I still have 5. I'm shaking again, and this time I've got 1. I start out with 5. Take away 1 equals, taking away my 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 4 blocks left, and it's Mrs. Howard's turn.
Oh, 1. So I have 4, and I'm taking away 1. That makes me have 3.
Okay, my turn. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, I got 3 this time. I started with 4. Take away 3 equals 1, 2, 3. I only have 1 block left.
So I only have 3. So I'm hoping that I roll a 3 so I can have no blocks left. Let's see. 6.
Oh, I get another turn.
Oh.
I need 1 because 1 is what I have left. Oh, I got 6 too.
2. So I have 3. Take away 2 equals 1. Now we both only have 1. So we have to roll a 1.
The first person to get a 1 is going to be the winner. Oop, I got a 4.
Oh, 6.
3.
4. Oh, 2.
2.
2.
3.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, my goodness.
1. Good job. Nice try.
Okay.
So I had 1, take away 1. How many blocks do I have left? 0.
And Mrs. Howard is the winner. But you know what? I had a great time playing. Even though I didn't win, I still had lots of fun. And I'm going to put these blocks all together again because I want to play again.
And if you don't have blocks at home, you could use just 10 Cheerios. You could use 10 Matchbox cars. You could use whatever you have 10 of. And you could use a piece of paper and crayons if you don't have a whiteboard. I hope you guys have fun.